So a couple of images of Autel Evos in the wild have surfaced over the past couple of days, and I really haven't commented on it because these are winners of the CES competition that Autel put on. Now these winners aren't limited obviously by any sort of NDA restrictions, which means they are free to do whatever they want since these units have been shipped directly to them from Autel. Now my suspicion is these units were shipped by mistake, and I say that only because we haven't heard anything of an official launch, which leads me to believe that possibly the launch date was supposed to be this week but never made it. In any event, let's talk about it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. So we talk about people receiving their units, and which is all great news. I'm so happy to see that these people actually did get a unit. That means that this thing is going to ship very soon at some point. I would imagine so anyways, right? Has to be if the devices are landing in people's hands. But what is even more hilarious about this is they really don't have any way to fly it officially. Autel did say to one of the winners that they are sending him the beta application so that way he can at least fly it. Now again, this would only work if they have Android, unless if Autel plans on adding them to, let's say, test flight if they are iOS users. But I want to just point out this very quickly. That is awesome that they have an Android app ready to go before the iOS app. And I really hope that both applications are equal in quality, but we'll see very soon, I'm sure. Anyways, yeah, so he posted some photos on one of the forums that he received his drone, which is cool, and it's great. So, you know, be that as may, just keep in mind that he is still using a beta app. Should they post a review or anything like that, that the software may not be finalized. I know when I get one in my hands, I'm going to be running it through the proper testing and just really putting it through its paces before I commit to any sort of review. I also have a goal to make sure that all these videos are under 5 minutes long. I will not do anything over 10 minutes on the Evo, just because I want you guys to watch it, get as much information in a very short amount of time, and then hit the skies and fly. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's free. Just a reminder, I am giving away a Rise Tello. Make sure you check out that video. Link will be here or here. I don't know where I'm linking it, but hit the link button. Sign up to win. It's free to do it, and I will be picking the winner on June 8th. I will see you guys in the next video.